is a very important match, Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid. And I support Atletico, just for your information.
Not me.
So,
Hopefully they will win.
hi Suresh.
Hello.
We saw that the fans had a very good connect with CSK. So how difficult would it be to get that connect in Gujarat Lions?
I think it will be difficult when you're staying in a house for so many years. Suddenly, somebody says you have to live in another house for 2 years. It gets a lot of challenge in your life, but you have to live. You have to sleep in your house. That's make a lot of difference. But I think I played 8 years in IPL, learned a lot of good things from the senior players. Now it's an opportunity for all the youngsters to play in Gujarat, because if you see, Gujarat never had an IPL team before. So it's a very good opportunity for all the Gujaratis. They can come there, and we have the best coaches now. We do have few match winning player in our side. Brent Bravo is there, and we have Brendan McCullum is there. He just retired. He doesn't play the World Cup this year. He wanted to focus in the IPL. That means how much experience we do have in the dressing room. So definitely it will be interesting to see, and this IPL will be very exciting. So I hope everyone will do really well. We all are looking forward to it.
And one more thing, what are your personal goals from this IPL? In World Cup, you had a little bit on and off time. So what are your personal goals from this
Just
IPL now?
just go there and smash. That's what I have done in last few years with the team or with the Indian team. I have done really well in over the years. So sometime when you play for the country, we did really well as a batting unit. We did really well as a bowling unit in few games. I think that's a part and parcel in the sports. Some you win, some you lose. But I'm very happy for the West Indies. They played really well in the World Cup. They know the conditions. They know each and every player how they prepare themselves in the IPL. So I think it's a good learning process for us. So we all are looking forward to playing IPL.
We
Yeah.
have the time for one last
One
question.
One question, yeah. Ashish Bhatia here from the Commercial Vehicle Magazine. A question to you, Mr. Carlos, once again. You mentioned that you would be out with the full range by the end of May. We would be having the entire range. If you could just give us a sense of what is expected for the CV market in terms of your product, and what is the growth of lubricants like for the commercial vehicle industry in India specifically? Because I have seen a particular stat that says you all are targeting, say, a 2.3%. The overall growth of lubricants is 2.3%, out of which 52% is automotive lubricants. So what would be the percentage of growth? Would you be able to give us a ballpark figure for commercial vehicles?
Well, I don't know. We have very clear plans on commercial vehicles.
Okay, as it was mentioned a little while before, we are bringing the products in stages. And as all of us know, the two-wheeler market is the fastest growing segment in India. In fact, the Indian two-wheeler park is much more than China now. So we will start with that. Now, as far as the market, how we are trying to launch into the market would be in stages, and we have a vision that we want to get into a 5% market share at the end of in another 5 years' time.
That's for CV.
That's for the overall lubricant
All
market.
right. By 2020.
That's right. And we want to really get a basket of products. We are not only into the two-wheelers, but we are looking at two-wheelers, passenger cars, and also to the CP. And where we position our product is we are positioning it on the premium positioning of the product, because that's where the Indian consumer is also now graduated into a level where we are actually not only on the two-wheeler, passenger car, even on the truck side, you find that we are actually getting into another level of efficiency, endurance, and quality.
Sure.
So that's where we're coming.
How difficult or easy would be this shift from the industrial lubricant space to the automotive space, and specifically into commercial vehicles?
It's definitely not shifting from one to another. Repsol is a completely different ballgame. It's a different company, and we are actually bringing it completely the white space from the existing brand what we do. So we're not trying to modify an existing brand into another brand. There is a clear white space between the two brands. The brand with which we started will continue as a mass product in the market, whereas for the automotive product, Repsol will be the flagship, which will be coming in at the premium segment. And as we go forward, this partnership will grow deeper and more stronger.
Just a word on the Gujarat
Ladies and
plant in terms of
gentlemen,
the production.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Can we take this question outside?
Sure.
Because we're kind of running behind schedule. I know we started late, but we're running behind schedule. So we have a photo op outside. If the photographers can please move outside, we'll take the questions there.
Last question, please.
सुरेश, ड्वेन ब्रावो से क्या अपेक्षा रहेगी क्योंकि आज बहुत लहर छाई हुई है चैंपियन की, क्या वही फॉर्म कंटिन्यू करना चाहेंगे ड्वेन ब्रावो से गुजरात में?
जी हाँ. उनका सॉन्ग इतना पॉपुलर हुआ है अभी वर्ल्ड कप में, तो डेफिनेटली व्हेन आई मेट हिम इन बॉम्बे तो ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी. तो उसके बाद अभी आईपीएल में जो सॉन्ग उसका चल रहा है तो वो अलग अलग थीम में खेल रहा है अभी. सो आई एम वेरी लकी टू हैव हिम इन माय टीम.
थैंक यू सुरेश.
Thank you all very much.